Allison Transmission is known for our proven reliability, durability, and productivity. We're the leading designer, developer, manufacturer, and distributor of medium and heavy-duty fully automatic transmissions. To help maintain our transmission's quality year after year, job after job, we use only the highest quality materials, parts, and fluids, all backed by Allison's transmission coverage programs. It's no secret. You want your Allison fully automatic transmission performing like new long after it's been on the job or on the road. Allison-approved transmission fluids and Allison genuine parts are designed to keep you on the job, maintaining the same performance your team and fleet received on day one, far into your transmission's life cycle. You take your reputation seriously, and when it comes to our fluids and filters, we do the same. Count on Allison-approved transmission fluids for on-highway use and to keep you on the job. You can choose the option that best meets your demands, no matter your duty cycle. We give you the power of choice with options to fit your needs. Let's take a look at our Allison-approved transmission fluid options. Our TES 389 is a mineral-based non-synthetic fluid that offers standard drain and filter change intervals. TES 295 is a synthetic fluid approved for all on-highway applications that provides extended drain intervals and enhanced performance and durability. Finally, TES 668 is Allison's next-generation synthetic transmission fluid that supersedes TES 295 and TES 389. Let's look more at TES 668, our most advanced Allison-approved transmission fluid yet. TES 668 builds on the proven 20-year record of our TES 295 by delivering the same great performance with a modern additive package. This next-generation transmission fluid is specified for all Allison 1000, 2000, 3000, and 4000 series transmissions and is fully backwards compatible with transmissions containing TES 389, 295, and 468 fluid in any mixture proportion. The synthetic TES 668 fluid improves upon mineral-based fluids in key areas, such as oxidative stability, anti-wear performance, and friction modifier durability. These factors improve the quality of the shifts and reduce noise, vibration, and harshness experienced as other mineral-based fluids age. Better friction performance provides more consistent clutch application, even across temperature variations and load sizes. The robust formulation of TES 668 meets the most demanding specs related to fluid stability, lubrication, and cold operation. This allows Allison to support longer drain intervals, even when you're operating under heavy loads. TES 668 is specified for Allison products to ensure ideal operation. Using other fluids on the market can create problems down the road. Durability problems, for example, can arise, including seal and friction issues that rob your transmission and engine of your desired performance. Allison cares about our products. We've partnered with the most trusted names in the industry to bring you the highest quality transmission fluids. Allison-approved fluid marketers are the only partners who can provide genuine TES 668 fluid, so make sure you're only sourcing your fluids from one of the approved fluid marketers listed here, or your Allison-authorized distributor. For more information about our current listing of all Allison-approved fluids for each application, please visit allisontransmission.com/fluids. Along with our transmission fluids, get peace of mind with genuine Allison filters and keep running at your best. Proper filter maintenance is vital to the longevity and peak performance of an Allison transmission. The use of Allison genuine filters ensures your Allison transmission continues to operate at its maximum capacity. Genuine filters ensure proper fluid flow and filtration to protect your transmission from contaminants and debris. Red and black filters are currently in use, and both are genuine Allison filters. SIL 10 TR99 and Service Tip TI 8807 on the Allison Hub outline proper fluid and filter change intervals for all Allison transmission models. There are different filters for different series of Allison transmissions. Allison 1000 and 2000 series transmissions utilize a spin-on control main filter. Each unit requires one spin-on filter which contains a magnet around the neck to catch metal debris. During a filter replacement, this magnet needs to be removed from the old filter and fitted to the new one prior to filter installation. 3000 and 4000 series transmissions contain two filter elements, each measuring either 4 or 6 inches in length, depending on the size of the sump. These filter elements are located under filter covers on the bottom side of the transmission. It is highly recommended that all O-rings and filter cover gaskets are replaced when performing a filter change for like-new performance. Allison authorized distributors offer filter kits with all necessary filter elements, O-rings, and gaskets. Find more information about genuine fluids and filters on the Allison Hub. When it comes to the life cycle of your transmission, you can drive confidently with Allison's transmission coverage programs. All Allison Automatics carry a standard limited warranty based on vocational model series and vocations. Our standard limited warranty includes 100% parts and labor for the designated coverage period. The standard limited warranty typically ranges from 3 to 5 years, depending on transmission vocation. Mileage limitations for specific vocational model series and/or vocations may apply. Extended transmission coverage may be purchased through an Allison authorized distributor within 1 year of vehicle delivery. The extended coverage options vary by vocation, but generally all on-highway transmissions with extended transmission coverage have 100% parts and labor coverage with no mileage limitations. Extended transmission coverage length is also customizable and available for longer or shorter periods outside the published durations. Allison's extended transmission coverage will help dealers retain customers and ensure they return for warranty work, as well as the purchase of parts and retran. Extended transmission coverage pricing information is available on the Allison website. You can check the warranty status of any unit on the Allison Hub with just the unit serial number. If the unit has not yet been registered, providing the in-service date and vocation code will show an estimate of what coverage is available. You can find the status of all claims belonging to your organization regardless of claim status with your 10-digit SAP ID. For any questions on Allison service, including fluids, filters, and transmission coverage, contact your local Allison representative. Allison customers have built their reputation by doing things the right way. When you follow Allison maintenance guidelines and use Allison-approved fluids and genuine filters, you're ensuring fleets get the most out of their Allison Automatics.